Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Lip Plumper. This is a electronic lip plumper. I purchased this on Amazon, so if you want to get one and try it out for yourself, you can just click on the link. There's no affiliation or anything. I just thought it would be fun to share this product. I've never used one of those like lip plumpers that you like do your own suction, but this one is electronic and I just thought, hey, I don't have to do so much work. That's always my goal. But anyway, I've already opened this and I've used it. So I'm going to show you a picture of what happened the first time I tried this. Don't make this mistake. So this has 3 settings. The first one, second one, third one. If you've never used this before, you're supposed to use the first setting and you just do it 30 seconds at a time. So you put your lips in, you make a little suction, and then you push the button. I'm going to demonstrate this, of course, but I'm just kind of telling you how it works. It comes with this cover, and it also comes with a little plastic attachment that goes inside here that will create that Angelina Jolie like line in your lip. I lost it already. I didn't want to use that. I don't want like that line. No thanks. But it does come with that if you like that type of plump lip with the little butt crack in the center. You know what I mean? It is chargeable by USB. You plug it in like that, and that's pretty much it. That's all it comes with. I sectioned my lips individually, top lip and then bottom lip, rather than both of them at the same time. So that's why my lips were way too big, and I did it for probably 3 minutes rather than the 30 seconds. And the reason I did that is because the first time I tried it, like there was no difference. And then I did it again, no difference. So then I probably did it like 5 times with like different settings for different lengths of time. So that's why my lips look like that. I'm gonna show you the proper way to use this. So let's get started. That was a really long introduction. I'm exhausted. Oh, I love some hot tea. Okay, so I just have some chapstick on my lips. I am gonna put my lips inside here, create a little suction. Just go like that, and then I will turn it on. This shuts off automatically after the 30 seconds, I think. Let's find out what happens. Let's get a little closer. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It's not bruised, you guys, don't freak out, but all the blood is being sucked to the lips, obviously. So it'll be discolored for, I don't know, 5, maybe 10 minutes, so not a big deal. Don't freak out. It doesn't hurt at all. You feel like a sucking pressure as if you had a vacuum or something there. Let me not do that. Not a big difference, right? This little ring that it creates, that goes away after a minute or 2, so not a big deal. This is what I did the first time, and I thought this isn't good enough, so I'm gonna do like my individual lips. I'm gonna put it on the highest setting, and I'm going to do it for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. You're really gonna see a difference, so here it goes. So I'm gonna put my lips in, create a section, and then hit start. Okay. So I really feel like the bottom lip is getting the most plump and my top lip isn't doing a whole lot. So we're gonna do just the top lip right quick. Okay. So I feel like that is good enough for me. Trust me, it can get a lot bigger, but we don't need to be going that big. It looks like it's bruising, but like I said, it's gonna go away after like, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lip gloss and show you guys how this looks. And again, you can go a lot bigger than this, a lot bigger. I also got this new lip gloss from City Lips. I have purchased several glosses from City Lips. You guys, this is the best lip plumping gloss I've ever tried. Now I have tried a lot of plumping glosses. I do not like that tingling, burning sensation, and this is the first lip gloss that I've tried that doesn't have any type of sensation and really plumps your lips. So City Lips gloss retails for $35 plus shipping and all that, so it comes out to like $42 after tax. The one that I'm wearing is in the color Los Angeles, but it's a pinky sheer color with gold glitter. And then this is a good one too, called Tinseltown. This is also like a pinky sheer color with silver glitter. And this one is my all-time favorite. This one is in the color San Diego, and it's a peachy pink with gold tones. There we go, is that catching it? Really, really pretty on the lips. Let's see if we can layer this and see what it looks like. Anyway, yeah, this one is really, really gorgeous on my skin tone. But yeah, they have glittery ones, they have matte ones. I just feel like it's a really good deal because they actually do plump and it doesn't sting. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Watch out and don't suck your lips for too long with this thing. It is powerful. I hope you guys are having a great Friday. I hope you have a good rest of your weekend. And if you didn't already see on my Instagram, I wasn't able to post a true crime video today because my dog is very ill. He's on medication right now, so I'm just keeping a really close eye on him. But we will have a true crime mukbang tomorrow on Saturday. So are you guys subscribed to my main channel? Do you like food? Do you like true crime? Do you like cake? Subscribe. Have a good day, guys. Bye.